Welcome to this video on the Globally Harmonized System, or GHS, which is standardizing chemical safety for a global workforce. The GHS is an international system created by the United Nations to standardize chemical classification and labeling across all jurisdictions. Its core goal is to ensure hazard communication is consistent worldwide, protecting health and the environment. Before GHS, countries had conflicting rules, leading to worker confusion and accidents. The GHS solution reduces confusion and lowers international trade costs by standardizing documentation. It provides a right to understand for all workers. The GHS is built on three pillars. First, hazard classification, which identifies dangers based on scientific criteria. Second, hazard communication, using visual warnings and text. Third, safety data sheets, which are detailed 16-section documents. Hazard classification categorizes chemicals into three main risk groups: physical hazards, such as flammables and explosives; health hazards, including carcinogens and acute toxicity; and environmental hazards, like aquatic toxicity. Hazard severity is ranked from Category 1, which is the most severe, to Category 4, which is the least severe. This ranking rule applies to each hazard class, helping users quickly understand the level of danger. GHS labels must include 6 specific elements. These are the product identifier, a signal word, pictograms, hazard statements, precautionary statements, and supplier information. These elements ensure clear communication on every container. Standardized pictograms bridge language barriers by visually communicating hazards. Examples include the flame for flammables, the skull and crossbones for acute toxicity, and the corrosion symbol for skin burns and metal corrosives. Safety data sheets, or SDS, replace the older MSDS format with a mandatory 16-section structure. This uniform format ensures that critical information is always in the same location, which is crucial for emergency response. The 16 SDS sections cover everything from identification and hazard identification to first aid measures, exposure controls, and disposal considerations. The consistent order ensures fast access to essential data. GHS implementation enhances global safety and consistency. It establishes one world, one system, improves worker safety through standardized pictograms, aids regulatory compliance, and streamlines emergency response. This concludes our video on the globally harmonized system. Thank you for your attention.